In 2012, Harvard Business Review named data scientist the sexiest job of the 21st century. Recently, Glassdoor named it the best job of the year for 2016. According to Glassdoor, data scientists earn a base pay of $116,840 a year, on average. So, it seems like absolute dream job. Which countries are on top in this domain? A quarter of the users of Kaggle, which runs an online network for data scientists and machine learning experts, are in the US, with people in India representing the second biggest contingent, at 16%. But as stated in the Financial Times, according to Kaggle's survey, most people working in the field say they spend 1 to 2 hours a week looking for a new job. Machine learning specialists topped its list of developers who said they were looking for a new job, at 14.3%. Data scientists were a close second, at 13.2%. But, why is this happening? As mentioned in Financial Times, people working in this field experience many frustrations. Bad data are one of the main ones. Their employers cannot provide the essential raw material for them to obtain results. Some also complain of being given a lack of clear questions to answer. Companies may sense the opportunity, but they often do not know enough to get the most from their data assets. This also highlights the lack of technical knowledge among non-specialist managers who work alongside data scientists and machine learning experts. Expectation versus reality. Many junior data scientists wanted to get into data science because it was all about solving complex problems with cool new machine learning algorithms that make huge impact on a business. However, this is often not the case. But many companies hire data scientists without a suitable infrastructure in place to start getting value out of AI. This contributes to the cold start problem in AI. These companies fail to hire experienced data practitioners before hiring juniors. The data scientist likely came in to write smart machine learning algorithms to drive insight, but can't do this because their first job is to sort out the data infrastructure or create analytic reports. The company only wanted a chart that they could present in their board meeting each day. The company then get frustrated because they don't see value being driven quickly enough, and all of this leads to the data scientist being unhappy in their role. If the company's core business is not machine learning, example, media publishing company, it's likely that the data science that you do is only going to provide small incremental gains. Politics. If people seriously think that knowing lots of machine learning algorithms will make you the most valuable data scientist, then you have to remember this line: expectation does not match reality. You have to constantly do ad hoc work such as getting numbers from a database to give to the right people at the right time. Doing simple projects just so that the right people have the right perception of you. As frustrating as it can feel, it was a necessary part of the job. Go-to person for anything about data. Data scientist doesn't mean you will be the analytics expert as well as the go-to reporting guy. And let's not forget that you'll be the database expert too. It isn't just non-technical executives that make too many assumptions about your skills. Colleagues in technology assume you know your way around Spark, Hadoop, Hive, Pig, SQL, Python, R, Scala, TensorFlow, A/B testing, NLP, anything machine learning, and anything else data related that you can think of. You will often see all these technologies written under the job specification. It means a company that has no idea what their data strategy is, and they'll hire anyone because they think that hiring any data person will fix all of their data problems. Because you know all of this and you obviously have access to all of the data, you are expected to have the answers to all of the questions. Working in an isolated team. If the project is taken on by an isolated data science team, it is most likely to fail or take long time. If a data scientist spends their time only learning how to write and execute machine learning algorithms, then they can only be a small part of a team. That leads to the success of a project that produces a valuable product. This means that data science teams that work in isolation will struggle to provide value. So how to be real-life data scientist? So to be an effective data scientist in industry, it doesn't suffice just to do well in Kaggle competitions and complete some online courses. It fortunately or unfortunately involves understanding how hierarchies and politics works in business. Finding a company that is aligned with your critical path should be a key goal when searching for a data science job that will satisfy your needs. However, you may still need to readjust your expectations of what to expect from a data science role.